everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Seeds Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today I have an unboxing but a product review that I would like to share with you guys today. So a company named Outdoor Tide contacted me asking if I wouldn't mind reviewing some of their products. I said absolutely, I would love to. They do have diamond paintings, they have cross stitch, and some paint by numbers. They do have a few things for knitters and crocheters, so if you're interested, please feel free to check them out. Their website is going to be linked down in the description box, but there's also a promotion code that is valid for forever, which is going to be Sweet Pea 05, and it is a 5% discount code. So again, the promotion code is Sweet Pea 05, and that is a 5% discount code. Now they do have a few promotion sales on their diamond paintings, which is buy 3 get 1 free, and then they also have a buy 6 get 2 free, along with free shipping for the next 5 days. So again, on the diamond paintings, they have buy 3 get 1 free, they have buy 6 get 2 free, and then free shipping for the next 5 days. So feel free to check them out if you're interested in getting started on diamond paintings for their promotion sales, or if you're looking at cross stitches, paint by numbers, anything that's in that genre. It did take a few weeks to get here, being said it was coming from China. I believe they sent me the tracking number around between the 5th of April and the 7th of April, sometime in that time frame, and then I received it on April 23rd. So it did take a few weeks to get here, being said it is coming from China. And customer service has been wonderful so far. There was a little bit of a mishap, which really is no concern for you to have. It was just when they were asking for me to promote their products, the first time they never got back with me, so I ended up emailing them back asking if the offer still stood, and then they sent me a whole new email asking if I would still promote their product. So there was a little bit of a mishap there, but none to your guys' concern. Let's go ahead and check out what I received. So the very first one is the dandelion themed one, and so far I'm actually kind of pleased with the way that the portrait kind of comes out. I was a little skeptical, being said I thought that maybe the dandelions might blend in with the background, but once I actually get the drill bits on there, all the details should be able to play out and look really beautiful. So far I'm very pleased. Now this is a 12 by 12 or 30 by 30 centimeter portrait, and when I say 12 by 12 I mean that in inches, and that actually measures. The only downfall about these diamond paintings, when they do say that it's a 30 by 30 or a 12 by 12, they also measure where this trim is. So it's not the portrait itself or the diamond painting itself, it's also the trim that if you're going to put it in a picture frame or whatever, you will have to trim that off. So that's the only downfall about some of these products, is they don't measure the portrait itself. It is the whole picture, including the trim work. So now the drill bits, it actually comes with the basic kit, which is the tray, the pen, and also some wax. So I have tons of these where I've gotten a few in the past, and then also their drill bits as well. So they do come with every single color that you do need for the diamond painting, and I actually enjoy the way that they do these type of labels. They actually number them. Now I have gotten some off of Temu in the past that you've got to kind of search for which number it is, so it is easy to read which number your drill bit is. And of course there is a table here that will tell you what number goes with what color. So very, very easy to read, and it comes in its separate package just in case if anything accidentally rips open, it is safe and secured. So that is the first one. And the second one, which will go for my daughter, she is big into farm animals, anything that is farm related she enjoys. So this one is the little girl with the chickens. We do have chickens ourselves and ducks and turkeys. So I know she is going to greatly enjoy this. And these diamond paintings do come with a film over top of them to keep them preserved, because how the drill bits do stick on them are the diamond painting itself is sticky. And this one is also a 30 by 30 centimeter or 12 by 12. Again, that is including the trim. And this also does come with its own drill kit, the basic kit, which is the trays, the wax, and the pin, and also the drill bits itself. And I actually, looking at these now, I enjoy these a lot better, and I'll take these out real quick, because these are actually resealable bags versus these are not. I greatly enjoy the resealable bags because you don't make a mess all over the place. What we've done in the past with these that are not resealable is get some snack baggies, label them as numbers, and then just put them in the snack baggies so that they're easy to keep track of and you don't got drill bits all over the place. Or you can find containers online specifically for drill bits, whatever you want to do. But I do greatly enjoy resealable bags because they're very painless. Again, these are also easily numbered as well, as you can see, 20 and 19. And then, so they're easily labeled. And those are the products that I did receive. I am very pleased so far, and it's crazy how much detail is really put into diamond paintings. I greatly enjoy diamond paintings, and if it's something that you're looking into but not for sure of, they are time consuming, but they're loads of fun. And again, like I stated, they do have a lot of details in them for being diamond painting and drill bits. So feel free to check out Outdoor Type. They do have a TikTok and a Facebook, which will be linked down in the description box. Again, don't forget about the discount code, which is SweetPea05, and also some of their promotion sales. I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe. And I will see you for the next video.